Hello, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you and showing you how to download OpenTrack and AI Track to get your head tracking working. So if you want to control the interior movements of your truck using your physical head in Euro Truck Simulator 2, well, stay tuned for this video. Okay, first things first, let's talk requirements. So the only thing that you need for this to work very well is a camera. So this can be the camera on your laptop or a camera that you bought for your desktop. It does not have to be expensive. It can be something very cheap as long as it can just see your face. So let's get started. So first of all, you are going to have to download OpenTrack, and I'm going to leave the links in the description of the video below. The first software, like I said, you will need is OpenTrack. So you click on the link, it will take you straight to this page. You are going to have to scroll down to OpenTrack, okay? Scroll down, and you are going to see these assets here. This is for this version 2023.3.0. okay, that's the latest one. So what you want to do is you want to come to your assets, and there's 5 of them. There's OpenTrack .7z, but what you want to do is you want to click on OpenTrack setup.exe. Click on that one and download it. Okay, then the next thing you are going to need is your AI track. Okay, and of course I'm going to leave the video for this in the description below as well. So what you want to do is when you open this page, I'm going to give you the link for this one rather, okay, because this is where even if you see this video 5 years from now, it's just going to update to the latest version. So you are going to click on your latest version. Like I have, mine is alpha version 0.71. so what you want to do is scroll down to the assets as well, and the one you want to download is not source code or source code. There's 2. You want to download Headtrack version 0.7.1.zip. okay, click on that, download it as well. It is only 104 kilobytes. So then the next thing you want to do is go to your downloads, and then you can install your OpenTrack. Okay, say yes to everything, create a desktop shortcut because we want it to be easily accessible. Okay, so it is extracting and installing. Okay, so let us wait for this to finish. It should take a few minutes. Okay, we are almost done, as you can see. So it is a very quick installation, very quick. So you can choose to say launch OpenTrack and just finish. Okay, obviously it's gonna launch it for you. Okay, there it is in the background. Okay, but this is not the only thing you need, remember. So when you downloaded your Headtrack 0.71, it came in a zip folder. So you right click and you extract that. It does not matter the software that you are using. It can be WinRAR, it can be the one that comes with Windows 7-zip, whatever it is. Just extract the file, and then after extracting the file, you want to come to the folder that has been extracted, double click on it, double click again, then you want to go down to, let's make this bigger, you want to come down. I still think this is a little bit small, but it is okay. So you want to come down to AI track, and then the type, it's going to say application. Okay, you want to double click on that one as well, because these are the two softwares you are going to need in order to make your head tracking software work properly. So first thing you want to do is you want to configure. Okay, you want to go to configuration, then it's going to open this page up for you. I like to leave things as simple as they are. I don't need to make it higher quality, because the only thing that I need in my camera is for it to see me and then track the movements of my head. Okay, then obviously you want to measure the distance between you and like your eyes and your camera. So for me it's 0.72 meters, so that's 72 centimeters. Okay, that's the only thing I had to change. I left this model type exactly as it is. You can do your own workaround, try heavy, medium, okay, and very fast as well, but I found that fast works very well for me. Okay, then find a very good sitting position, one that you are most comfortable with, and then just click on calibrate your face. So as you can see, it says look directly at the camera and then click calibrate. So you're gonna make sure your face is seen clearly in the camera, and then you will calibrate. Of course, for this video we cannot do it, but it should work on yours. Okay, mine has already been calibrated. After you have done that, it'll give you the thingy that it just gave me now. Then just click on apply. Okay, then you can close this. We are done. The next thing you want to do is you want to come to your open track now. So this is where we are gonna do things right, because if you don't set this one right, it can be very, very difficult for you. So in the input, you want to click on UDP over network. Okay, then your output, you also want to click on free track 2.0 enhanced. Okay, then on your filters, you can choose as well. I just like to use natural movement, but a lot of people like to use this first one as well. So you can just check between all of them to see which one works better for you. Then okay, so I am going to keep it at natural movements. Then you come to your options. Okay, click on your options. Then on your outputs, this is so very important. You want to pre-invert your pitch, tick on it, and your Z, tick on it as well. If you don't do this, you will be moving back, and then your camera is like the face in your game. This is Euro Truck Simulator 2. It will be like you are moving forward, and if you're moving forward, it's going to be like you are moving back. So you want to pre-invert these ones as well to ensure that if you are moving forward, you are also moving forward, and if you are moving back, you are also moving back. Then you're going to click on OK, start your tracking here. Okay, then you're going to start your tracking here as well on your open track, and then you should see yourself. If you move to the right, you should be moving to the right. If you move to the left, you should be moving to the left. And then what you want to do is you want to start your game, your Euro Truck Simulator 2, and you want to click on your interior camera. This is camera number 1 on your keyboard, and the minute you get into your truck, you will just see as you move your head, it will be moving all around. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please click on the like and tell me in the comments below and say, thank you so much, 17. It has worked. And also, don't forget to subscribe, as this will help me grow a lot more. So, thank you for staying tuned in this video. It is a bye from me.